Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a page full transitions for your photo in Capcut. So here you need to import two exact same photos to Capcut, one in the main track and the other one in the overlay, and make both of them the same size like this. And after that, click on the overlay and go to edit, then click on rotate 2 times, so the photo will go like this. And after that, drag the overlay to the bottom right corner, so like this. Okay, and after that, add a keyframe at the start and go to where you want it to end, for example in here, and then move the photo again to the bottom right corner until it completely disappear like this. Okay, so the photo will go like that. And after that, in between the keyframes, go to grabs, then select the ease out one, click on the check icon, and now click on the overlay again, click on add the overlay again, and then add a black image as an overlay like this. Rotate it diagonally like this to about 50 degrees. Okay, and then after that, I'm going to put it in here. And then zoom it in and drag the black overlay to the bottom right like this. So you need to make sure that it will shape like a triangle with the first overlay. I'm going to zoom it in. Okay, like this. And then you need to add a keyframe at the start of the black overlay, then go to where you want to. Okay, so in here, then drag it again to the bottom right corner. Okay, like this, and go in between the keyframes and go to grab, then select the same grab ease out one, click on the check icon, and you are done. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on a thanks. Bye bye.